I'm going to be using the freeze tag spray, and I'm going to be using the Got to Be gel or glue or whatever it is in a black tube. This video is self-explanatory. I'm just putting it along my hairline, and I'm going to blow dry it on cool. Do not blow dry your stuff on hot because, baby, that's not going to work. You're going to need to have it on cool. Make sure you have it on cool. So when you want to blow dry it until it get real tacky, y'all already know the process. Blow dry it until it get tacky. When it get tacky, you're going to lay your lace on top of the gel. And I like to take a, a wire comb at the end and try to like guide my lace onto the gel. So when you get it onto the gel, you're just going to blow dry it again on cool just to secure it. Real self-explanatory. I'm going to just let y'all watch the video. So I do want to mention that Allovehair sent me a 26-inch loose deep wig. The wig has like a natural like wavy texture, but I had went ahead and straightened it. So y'all probably won't see like the actual texture in this in a video, but I did show a clip of me unboxing it, and you will see like the natural texture, and also you will see me tagging them on Instagram soon.
There's something special about you, and I must really like you, 'cause not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy, 'cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like
So guys, this is the finished look. I'm super happy. It came out so cute. Like, it really came out so perfect. So I'm gonna give you guys the rundown on this hair. This is Allovehair.com. I don't think they're affiliated with any other sites or anything like that. This is their loose deep wave wig in an inch 26. As y'all can see, all I did was straighten it because I wanted to see how it would look straightened. I didn't want to keep it in its natural state. Decided to straighten it. So as y'all can see, it can be flat ironed. It can be curled. It is like a natural wave. You can bleach it, you can dye it. Only thing I did was bleach the knots on this wig. So the quality of this hair is 10A Remy hair. 10A, I guess that's like the grade. That's supposed to be like a good grade. So yeah, so this wig originally came in a black color, which I was super happy about because y'all know I hate dyeing hair. So it came black. It is 150% density, which to me is really like lightweight. It's not too heavy and it's not too thin. Frontal is a 13x4. I just have it in this like middle part, but this is a 13x4. You can part it however many type of ways you want. This did come like a Swiss lace. If y'all don't know, Swiss lace is like a transparent lace, so it'll blend in with your skin. Y'all already know I had to bleach the knots. I put my foundation color in it and all that just to make sure it's like my color. This wig unit did come pre-plucked. It came with baby hair. It came black hair. Everything was just perfect about the wig. I didn't have no problems. I did receive a little bit of shedding when I was plucking the frontal, but other than that, I didn't receive no issues with the hair. Super cute, and it is so soft and it is so long. So I did do another video showing you guys how I got this defined middle part. If y'all want to see it, go check that out. I'm gonna leave the link below. So this is like the second part to the to the video, and I'm just laying it down and stuff like that. But I did go into detail how I plucked it and all that. So overall, I would rate this hair 10 out of 10. No problems, no issues at all. I would recommend this hair company. You should check out Allovehair.com. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media.